Before conducting mesh modeling, ensure that the device has mesh modeling permission. If not, you need to register in advance. During data calculation, we need to check whether the computer configuration meets the requirements. It is recommended to have a graphics card of the 3050 Ti series or above, a CPU of i7 or above, and a system memory of 32 GB or above. If the computer configuration meets the requirements, select Build Mesh Model and click Start to generate model data. If we have already generated the point cloud, we can directly click Mesh Modeling in the SLAM processing module of the software to generate the model. After the model is built, model nodes will be generated. You can right-click the model node in CoPre and select Load Model to browse the model.